this haircut, boy. Your first haircut. You excited?
Your first haircut, Poppy. Yeah. Say hi. Are you excited?
I'm excited. Let's see.
Yeah, let's see how he does, because he's had long hair for
Since he was born.
yeah, since he's little. We never cut
First
it.
cut.
First cut.
All right.
I mean, I guess he's excited. Jadis, he's been walking around with that quesadilla for how long now? Over an hour. Are you ready?
All right, let's sit you down here.
Uh-oh.
Sit down. There you go, baby. He's probably gonna get scared.
Yeah, 100%.
Let's see. Go. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Mommy's here. Mommy's here.
Jadis, come on.
Well,
Oh, he's moving too much.
let me see if I can get him something. Hold on.
Ta-da!
All right, Bobby, let's do it.
Alright, you stay still, okay, baby?
Uh-oh.
God, see how he moves?
I know. It's so scary. Oh my god, my baby's hair.
Gonna be a different baby.
No, can't move from there because then he moves.
At least I won't call him a girl anymore.
Oh my god, that's so true. Every time we go out, they're like, so is he a boy or a girl? And I'm like, boy.
What's her name?
What's her name?
What's her name?
You're doing so good. Yeah. So good, Papa.
Stop moving. Jadis, come on. Papa. Jadis. Oh God. Kid.
Jada, stay still.
Jadis.
You don't want no more haircut? You just like your lollipop? You finessed the lollipop, you monkey.
Look, here he looks better.
Ah!
Look at that. Look at that boy. Look at that boy. Come here. Ay. Come here, son. Come here. Jadis, come here.
Jadis. He's on mommy's lap now. Oh. Frustration?
Yeah.
That quesadilla has hair and everything in it. Oh my goodness. Jadis. Jadis. Yeah, okay. You're so cute. You're so cute.
Papa, watch out. Where are you going? Come here. Come here. Come here. You look like you got a big head now.
Siéntate, papi, siéntate.
You. He's ready to go to the Air Force with his uncle.
Jadis. You're gonna do it now to Daddy? This has been an eventful time. And he ended up somehow with Jadis's lollipop.
It is what it is. Come on.
Jadis. Jadis. Come on, Jadis. Come on. You saying hi to the chickens? Go with Poppy. Go with Poppy. No, Poppy. You want to let him out? They were already out. They were already out, Poppy. Go cut your hair. Okay, so he somehow managed to open it. You want to stay in there? Okay. He switched places with the chickens today.
This is so impossible.
The reality of cutting a 2-year-old's hair.
Look at those patches.
Hi. Hi. Are y'all just passing by? What's up? What's up? Come here. Dusty. You are Dusty. Dusty doesn't even look like Dusty no more.
Big.
Oh my god. Don't st- Damn, buddy. Damn, buddy. You look like a teenager now. Mom doesn't want to see you like this.
Jadis, come on, let me finish you.
Oh, this has been really fun.
Not really.
Jadis. Okay, you can come with mommy. You can come. Say hi. Hi. Okay. How do you think your dad did? No? He said no.
That was hard to another level.
That was hard to another level.
Yeah.
I think that... Yeah, no, it was like literally every part of it.
But hey, I like it. He looks different. I like it. Look at him. It's not bad.
It's not so bad.
Why you say it like that, babe?
Why do I say it like that?
Yeah.
Hyman tells me he's gonna leave the back a little shorter than the top, and he ends up making my kid bald. So I'm just, I'm gonna remember that forever. This is his first haircut.
Yeah, he looks really cute.
Son. 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 That's his new obsession, is walking around holding band-aids. I'm convinced that my son is a viejito because he loves being on here all day, every day. Right? He loves it. Well, can you even see yourself? I don't know if you can see yourself there. Can you?
I see myself.
Okay, you see yourself?
Barely.
Well, babe, let them know how much fun it was cutting his hair.
Well, I wouldn't recommend you cutting your son's hair if it's younger than 5.
Goddamn.
So, yeah.
Yeah, it was like a 10 out of 10 do not recommend situation. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We're gonna close out today's video. We're gonna watch the Halo series. If you guys haven't watched it, it's really good so far. Look at me. Oh. All right, baby, say bye.
Bye, guys.
Say bye, Sean. Sean. Peace out, dude. Say bye. That was a bye, right? Okay.
Are you having fun?
You're so cute, kid. You're so He's so cute. Son. Oh, he's hugging. Son.